Hey guys, today we're here to introduce you our high-speed cartoning machine. It can pack blister plates, bottle, sachet and more into cartons. Widely used in pharmaceutical, food and daily chemical industries. The maximum output is 320 cartons per minute. Customized feeder method tailored to meet your needs. Material arrival detection ensures no material rejection. GUK origami machine with manual four-fold design. Double planetary cartons forming structure guarantees proper carton opening. Batch number printing, simple and easy operation. Parts number coding and adjustable scales, convenient and easy maintenance. The whole machine is fully servo-controlled, provides a high level of intelligence and reliability. This cartoning machine can be seamlessly connected with blister packing machine and pillow packing machine to create a fully automated production line. For more information of our cartoning packing machine, welcome to contact Ruida Packing.